Si Team Code kasi, the advantage for him is familiarity because PBA
Mm.
lang ang pwede.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This content is presented by Arena Plus, Astigsa Sports.
For me, I think based on outcome, the best possible coach is Tim Cone. Bakit? Kasi unang-una familiar siya sa PBA system. At saan ba natin kukuhain yung sinasabi niyong OQT? Hindi mo nang paglalaroin yung mga hindi PBA player dyan.
Totoo.
'Di ba? Kung magpapasok tayo ng bagong coach, lalo na yung galing Australia, actually I'm all for it. Pero if you want to win, familiarity sa player mo importante.
Pwede yun. I'm looking
Diba?
forward to that.
Team Cone is, wala namang kahit yung mga college players ngayon wala namang hindi gusto maglaro for Team Cone. Alam natin kung sino yung coach na ayaw paglaruan ng ibang college player. 'Di ba? So I think kung gusto nating manalo, kasi lahat tayo gusto natin consistency, Tapos andyan na, naglalagay na sila ng sistema, Erica D has a good background in basketball, not only here in the Philippines but also in FIBA itself. That means nagkakaroon na tayo ng sistema. Lahat yan hinihingi natin before. Meron na. Naglagay na sila ng isang taong alam talaga yung gagawin sa international basketball. So I think it's best na lay na yung foundation kasi yun naman talaga yung kailangan natin Kaya tayo laging nag-fail before kasi wala tayong preparation. And now, we have someone who is going to prepare our team in the future. I think Team Cone for now, let's say for the next 4 years, I think siya rin talaga yung best candidate. Kasi sino pa ba yung most proven coach sa Pilipinas? Team Cone has the most winning record in the PBA.
Pero alam mo kasi, we need to consider this. Ano ngayon kung winning guest coach ano na ngayon kung winning guest coach si Team Cone?
Tab Baldwin hasn't won a gold medal in the Asian Games. Who does? Team Cone. Ikaw na nagsabi kanina, it's all about winning. What has Tab won for Philippines?
Wait, Billy, wait.
Relax.
Walang local coach dito ang kahit tumapat sa mga achievements na meron si Tab Baldwin. Ever,
Exactly.
Wala. Basahin mo resume, wala. Walang ganyan. Walang coach dito na nakapag-coach sa higher level ng basketball at nananalo. Nakapag-expose sa different side.
Kung sino nga daw
Different style, different system. Wala. Ipang-international Kasi international to
Yeah. Hindi, yung
Ibang
point
PBA.
yung kilala yung players, bro, kasi ang tagal na ni Team Cone sa PBA. So,
Yun lang nga,
sino
Dustin,
isasabak natin
kung,
doon, di ba?
kung available lang sana, pwede naman. Si Coach Tab, yun ang tanong.
Gustavo, ikaw, lolo mo ba? Papakalbo na naman to si Tab Baldwin.
Gusto mo lang sabihin.
I'm just showing you the career highlights and awards of Tab Baldwin. So,
New Zealand.
New Zealand Hall of Fame.
Yeah, bago lang yan, last year.
Alam mo kasi, we need to consider kasi yung sinasabi, winning guest coach sa PBA. Fine. Winning guest coach sa PBA is Tim Cone. Pero internationally, kulang. Oo, sabihin natin nanalo siya Asian Games twice. Pero, facing in the FIBA Asia level, facing in the FIBA World level, wala pa siya nun. Tab Baldwin has that. Diba? Kumbaga, it's a matter of advantages talaga for our team itself, lalo na we are now gunning into the world stage.